My name is Dave Steele, and along with my partner Janet LePage, we own and operate Western Wealth Capital. We are very pleased to announce that you can now indirectly invest in these multifamily opportunities using your RSPs, your TFSAs, or your RESPs. We have filed an offering memorandum, and registered funds can be invested through Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund, Ltd. Here's how it works. Western Wealth Capital sets up a separate Canadian limited partnership to indirectly acquire a multifamily building in Arizona. Individual investors acquire limited partnerships in a specific limited partnership that is acquiring a specific multifamily property. You decide that you would like to invest in these opportunities using your TFSAs, RESPs, or RRSPs. You make an investment into Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Ltd. using your registered funds. Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Ltd. then acquires limited partnership units in the various limited partnerships that have acquired or are acquiring multifamily properties. Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Ltd. invests into the limited partnerships along with all of the other limited partnership investors. Many investors looking to invest using their registered funds have asked a lot of questions that are probably on your mind. To make it easy, we have summarized some of the most common questions and answers. Question: what securities are being offered by Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Ltd? Answer: the securities being offered are unsecured participating bonds. The price of each bond is $100. The bonds will bear interest at a fixed simple rate of interest of 6% per annum. Interest on each bond will accrue on an annual basis on the anniversary date of the issue of the bond, and interest will be payable 5 years from the date of issue. Bondholders are also eligible to receive their proportionate share of participating interest, which is an amount from the net profits of the corporation at such time and in such amounts as the directors of the corporation in their absolute discretion see fit. No bondholder will have any right to participating interest as its payment is fully discretionary. Question: does the investment qualify for my RSP, RESP, or TFSA? Answer: there is an opinion letter from Grant Thornton LLP included in the offering memorandum that the bonds constitute a qualified investment for deferred plans, such as RSPs, RESPs, or TFSAs. This information is subject to a number of qualifications. You should carefully review Section 6.1 of the offering memorandum. You should also consult your own professional advisors to obtain advice on the income tax consequences that apply to you. Question: how often do the limited partnerships pay out distributions? Answer: typically, the limited partnerships pay out an annual distribution on November 30th of each year. Question: if the limited partnership pays an annual distribution to Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Limited on November 30th of each year, does this mean that Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Limited will pay that same amount out to my RSP, RESP, or TFSA? Answer: not necessarily. Distributions from Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Ltd. to your RSP, RESP, or TFSA are strictly at the discretion of the directors of Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Ltd. The directors may choose to pay out annual distributions to your registered accounts, or they may choose to reinvest the funds in more multifamily opportunities or short-term loans. Question: how long is the investment for? Answer: the bonds have a term of 10 years, maturing on the 10th anniversary of their issuance date. Question: can I get my money back before maturity? Answer: bondholders have a limited right to retract their bonds and have the corporation pay the principal and accrued interest on the bonds before maturity. However, the right to retract is subject to a number of limitations. Among other things, the right can be exercised only once each year, with the earliest retraction date being January 15, 2016. In addition, the maximum amount of bonds that can be retracted in any given year cannot exceed 5% of the total amount outstanding at the retraction date. You should carefully review Section 5.1, Terms of Security, of the offering memorandum. Question: what fees are payable and to whom? Answer: there are fees that are payable to different parties in connection with the offering, including Ground Floor Capital Management Limited, a company controlled by me, Dave Steele, and Target Capital Inc., the corporation's controlling shareholder. The proceeds of the offering will be used, among other things, to pay these fees. For more information on this, you should review Section 1.1, Available Funds, and Section 3.1, Compensation and Security Held, of the offering memorandum. Ground Floor Capital Management Ltd. is paid an initial fee payable on the first closing of the sale of bonds in an amount equal to 1% of the cash proceeds received by the corporation in connection with the closing of the sale of the bonds, and thereafter an annual fee payable on December 31st of each calendar year in an amount equal to 1% of the cash proceeds received by the corporation in connection with the sale of the bonds during that calendar year which has just ended. A general partner will also be entitled to receive certain fees under the partnership agreement, including an acquisition fee, an asset management fee, an asset setup fee, a disposition fee, and a mortgage guarantee fee. These fees are described in much more detail under general partner items in Section 2.3.1, the partnership agreements of the offering memorandum. Question: how and when are the profits of Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Limited distributed to the investors? Answer: to the extent that the corporation earns a profit from its investments in the limited partnership units and short-term mortgage lending, the corporation may, but is not required to, pay participating interest on the bonds if and when determined by its director. Question: Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Limited may invest in short-term mortgage loans? Answer: yes, this gives Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Ltd. the flexibility to earn a return if it is sitting on some capital waiting for other opportunities. Question: can I transfer funds from my existing TFSAs, RESPs, or RSPs? Answer: absolutely. Question: can I also deposit additional cash into my existing Olympia Trust account? Answer: yes, you can. So here's how easy it is to invest. Number 1, review the offering memorandum. Number 2, complete the subscription agreement. Number 3, open a self-directed RSP, RESP, or TFSA account at Olympia Trust. Number 4, deposit the funds into the Olympia Trust account or transfer the funds from your existing RSP, RESP, or TFSA account. Number 5, receive an annual report and statements from Arizona 88 Opportunity Fund Ltd.